What's the meaning of consequent? Consequent. Consequent.
Consequent. Consequent. Consequent refers to the result or outcome that follows a particular action or event. It is often used to describe the logical connection between two things, where one thing leads to another. For example, if you don't study for an exam, the consequent result would be that you perform poorly on that exam. Similarly, if global warming continues at its current rate, the consequent result could be catastrophic climate change. In short, consequent describes the expected or inevitable result of a particular action or situation.